Okay, so this is a continuation of the last video. One error I made towards the end of the video, I mentioned it was at 18 volts. My mistake is at 18 millivolts, but once again, I haven't seen it go that high before. And right now, if you're looking at the scale, this is at this is at 53 millivolts. 53 millivolts, and it's climbing. You know, it's constantly climbing. Okay, meter went out. Okay, 53 millivolts and rising. Let me check the current. Now I'm using my hands to hold it. I've been holding it this whole time. I've been holding it this whole time. So right now we're at 70. I can't remember what the current was before, but it looks like it's climbing, and it's at 70 microamps, 80 microamps, 90 microamps, and it looks like there's a fluctuation between that. But the voltage definitely is rising, and I don't know, this might be a fluctuation in the current, and it is also on DC. Let me check the AC. Okay, it's producing no AC energy, it's just DC. Okay, yeah, I wish I had something else to hold up this this setup. Like I said, I was holding it the whole time. And I see the amperage going up and down. Like I said, I don't remember what the amperage was before. I gotta look in the other videos. But as I understand it, it's on the 20 microamp scale, and it's not even a microamp. It's 50. It's below micro. So I'm taking it. The next one lower than that is nano, and right now it's, you know, in the tens, the mid tens of the nano. Okay, so let me put it back to the voltage reading. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay. So I don't know what just happened here, but maybe because I moved it. So right now I'm looking at actually below the millivolt range. So now it's at what is that? If it's below the millivolt range, then you're into the microvolt. So right now you're looking at 200 microvolt. 100 is fluctuating between 100 and 200 microvolts. Before it was all the way up to 53 millivolts. So that's a dramatic drop. So like I said, I don't know what's going on, but it's pretty interesting. Maybe it's where I moved it. And also, now we have a positive reading. The negative is no longer present. So the original flow has returned, and the voltage has dropped dramatically, almost to zero. I'm going to try to put this closer to the flame to try to see if the reading will change. I notice I can put it very close to it and it doesn't change as much, almost in the flame itself, in order to get a reading. And it climbs fast that way, but then it starts to burn, and that's not what I want. Well, I'm gonna let it burn just so you see. Okay, maybe I don't want it to burn, so I'm gonna let it rise above. So now the voltage is dropping, and if I'm thinking what actually happened before was that the voltage would actually reverse. It goes to 0 and then reverses. The current reverses, but it's not doing it now. So this is something worthwhile playing with. So in another video, what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to scale this up. I'm going to use two wires. I'm going to use 2 wires. I'm going to wrap them around. I'm going to wrap 2 wires around negative. I'm going to do another setup just like this. And tap the source, then tap the, try to tap the ends of them to get a reading and see if the amount will be doubled. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, the voltage is at 0. Let's see if it will reverse. 0 positive. So if it reverse, going to go into negative. So like I said, in another video, I'm going to try to set that up. But like I said, it's pretty interesting what I found out so far. Thank you.